Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use or activate Humana Spending Account Card. Now for activation through online, visit the healthybenefitsplus.com/Humana and follow the instructions to activate your card. So again, that's healthybenefitsplus.com/Humana. So it should look something like this. Just follow the prompts and then you can activate your card. Now, through phone, call this number 855-396-0691 and enter the 16-digit number on the front of your card. For usage, you can check your balance on the Health Benefits Plus mobile app or at healthybenefitsplus.com/Humana. To find participating retailers, use the store finder on the Healthy Benefits Plus mobile app or website to locate stores that accept your card. And finally, to make purchases, use your card like a debit card to pay for eligible items at participating retailers. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.